Stanford Hospital treated 37,963 patients last year who were children, out of a total of 62,704 patients. How many of the hospital's patients last year were adults? Okay, so we know that there was a total of 62,704 patients. 37,000 of them, 963, were children. So the remainder is going to be adults. So what we're going to do is subtract 37,963. Because when I take my total and I remove the children, subtract, then what I have left over are the adults. So we're subtracting here. So 4 minus 3 is 1. 0 minus 6, can't do it. So borrow from 7, make you a 6, and that becomes 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. 6 minus 9, can't do it. Borrow from 2, make you a 1, make you a 16. 16 minus 9 is 7. 1 minus 7, can't do it. Borrow from 6, make you a 5, you become 11. 11 minus 7 is 4, and 5 minus 3 is 2. So we end up with 24,741. So we need to answer this using words. So how many of the hospital's patients last year were adults? 24,741 were adults. And that's our answer.